Welcome to the tutorial. Know about electrical panel and maintenance. Electrical panel. Part 16. Control system continued. In the previous part, we learned about different types and methods of starters and their working methods used in the control system of the electrical panel. In this part, we will learn about some different modes of operation of control systems. Different modes of operations. In a control system, there are three different operation modes: single operation, multiple operation, and sequential operation. Single operation. This mode of operation is used for the normal function of the equipment. For example, one motor is controlled through a starter from one station. The starter shall be any type that is explained in the previous part. Here, given a sample drawing of starters to refer to the single operation. Multiple operations. Single equipment needs to be operated from different places for some special requirements. In these cases, additional on/off controls are provided in parallel with the main control of that equipment. Mainly this method is used in lighting circuits. Sample drawing of multiple operations for lighting given for reference. Single-way switches are provided to operate the lamp from different places. Sample drawing of multiple operations for motor given for reference. This system has multiple on/off push switches with single latch contact operating with a single contactor. This circuit has single main off contact to disconnect all controls. Sequential operation. This mode of operation is used where a step-by-step process of working is required in a system. For example, we will see a working method of a production unit moving raw materials to the production machine through different steps. The first step is the incoming of materials, the second is moving through conveyors, and the third is into the production unit. Here, I gave a picture of a simple rock crusher unit to explain the sequential operation. Stage 1. Receiving the solid rocks. Stage 2. Rocks moving through conveyor 1. Stage 3. Rocks moving through conveyor 2. Stage 4. Rocks reach in crusher station. Let's check the stages and steps of the operation. When the main power is on, the control power will be available at the first stage, and all systems will be in an off state. The conveyors and crushing unit need to start only when the material reaches the area. All functions shall be possible to operate manual and automatic. The sequence of operation. Step 1. Solid rocks receives in the container. Step 2. On signal given 2, start motor 1 to run conveyor 1. Step 3. Control power available in the second control to start conveyor 2 to move the rocks. Step 4. Control supply available in third control. When rocks reach the crusher unit, started the unit to process the rock. All three steps work with separate motors, and all starters are interlocked. Power for the motor 2 controller shall be available only when motor 1 is live. Motor 3 shall be possible to start after energize motor 2. In automatic operation, all remote switches are replaced with different types of limit switches or timer switches. This system has provided an emergency stop switch to stop the machine as and when required. Emergency stop switch. Control for conveyor 1. Control for conveyor 2. Control for crusher unit. Step 1. Solid rocks receives in the container. Step 2. To run conveyor 1. Step 3. To start conveyor 2 to move the rocks. Step 4. Motor 2 moves, and started the unit to process the rock. This is the end of part 16. Control system to be continued. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to get more videos and updates.